Hello from me and Mio. Today we're making moist chocolate cake, a soft, fragrant cake everyone loves. Now I'll set the ingredients on the table, and I've written the exact amounts for you in the description. Crack the eggs into a bowl, add sugar and vanilla, and beat until the mixture becomes pale and thick. Mio watches carefully, as if making sure I'm doing everything correctly. Add the milk and oil and mix just until combined. Sift the flour, baking powder, and cocoa, then fold gently with a spatula. Line the bottom of a 24-centimeter pan with parchment paper. Pour the batter into the pan and bake in a preheated oven at 338 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 to 45 minutes. While the cake is baking, we prepare the chocolate sauce and ganache. For the sauce, heat milk with cocoa, add chocolate, keep it warm. For the ganache, warm cream, add chocolate, stir until glossy. Pierce the baked cake with a skewer, pour the warm sauce over it, then refrigerate for 2 hours. If you like, pour the ganache over the cake before serving. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.